Hi guys, so I've done, Hi guys, this is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. I've decided to share a major part of my quarantine routine, that is reading a lot of books. I'm about to read 5 books from 2 different authors. These are from Robert M. Drake. These are poetry compilation. I really like how the cover looks. Even the pages are really pretty. And the second one is from Ruskin Bond. It's a box of happiness. Let's see how the books turn out. Ooh, beautiful. So I haven't really been a consistent reader. I used to read a lot like 2 years ago, but this time when quarantine had actually started, my sister made me pick up these books and start reading. So I thought, why not vlog it for a video on YouTube? This was quite a readathon for me, and the reason I picked up Ruskin Bond was because even if I'm not totally invested in it, his work is very easily readable. So guys, this is from my point of view the perfect fit for first reads. And I almost finished Love in like 2 hours. It was very quick to be read. Hi guys, so it's about to be 11 and I'm on the 42nd page of the second book of Ruskin Bond, that is Happiness. And I must admit, I'm loving the book so far. So I've decided to stay up a little longer and finish the book tonight. We have what? We have 149 pages, so 100 more to go. So in case if you guys are wondering, these books are no story or fiction or facts. They are basically just thoughts and observations. No one page is related to the other. You open any page and you'll get a perfectly new, refreshing thought. And they're giving you more perspective on how you can view life, love, happiness, serenity, all of that. Well, just a random thought, but aren't we all striving for happiness? I mean, if we knew where the secret of happiness is, life would be so much more easy. So happiness actually had multiple perspectives and philosophies on what actually makes a man happy. Is it really money and materialism, or what is it? What is it that we can find happiness in, and what is it that truly makes a man happy? You'll find answer to all of these questions here in the book, and not from one person but from multiple personalities. So guys, go ahead. So I actually passed out after reading Happiness last night, and these are clips from the next day when I was reading Serenity, and I think the location completely goes with the theme. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person who finds Silhouette very serene. That honestly was very quick, and we moved on to Robert M. Drake, and I began with Beautiful Chaos. And guys, I was offered ice cream. How could I resist? Come on, I'm so sorry I filmed this, but this is me usually while reading books. Yes, that butterscotch cornetto was heaven, but so is this book, Beautiful Chaos, because it is so comforting. It actually gives you answers to all the questions you've been asking, like, why dude, why is this happening with me? Why is it all so messed up? No, chill, it happens with all of us, and honestly, it is just a part of life. So the main difference between all the books that I've read so far by Ruskin Bond and the next one that I'm reading from Robert Marcius Drake is that those books had a lot of quotations and thoughts and observations, but these books actually have a lot of poems. So it is a collection of poetries, and there is a lot of romanticized words and rhymes, and each page has a huge, beautifully written poem. So I think it's more intriguing, at least for me it is. So I'll tell you what, this very spot back in my room in Assam is the perfect place for me to sit and watch movies, read a lot of books and novels. I mean, it's so comforting. It's basically the my corner of the room. And the fun fact is, none of these teddy bears are actually mine. They are all my sisters. I'm not really a teddy bear person, but I make sure I sneak into this corner whenever I want to have my time and enjoy myself. So disclaimer, yes, I fell asleep here because as you can see, I was very sleepy and also tired, and the next day we began with Black Butterfly. I was honestly very excited for this book because of the way it looked, and god, the poems written inside, it's so aesthetic. I think guys, you have to read this. This book definitely is a very unique piece of art because it has from sketches to poetry to actually, you know, beautiful paper, and even the way the content is written, it's all so different. It's not generic, it's actually one of a kind, and I think I'm actually gonna draw these sketches that I'm seeing here. Okay, so here comes the review part. Now, Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent, and he's most popular among children literature, and he has a lot of popular novels like Room on the Roof, Delhi's Not Far, and so on. So I read A Box of Happiness, which had 3 essential topics which were being covered. So like serenity, love and companionship, and happiness. There are 3 different emotions which are actually interconnected. These 3 books have collection of thoughts from very different people like Mark Twain, Van Gogh. The book often takes you to nostalgia, gives you more perspective. Basically, the books have a lot to teach. I think these 3 little books have something for everybody. You know, open any page of the book and I think it can give you a mood for the entire day to go. The books are so amazing. Even if I read out 10 or 15 of these observations, the book will still be a treasure for you. The books are very handy. It's very lightweight. You can carry it in your college bag, read it in the cafeteria and everything. But also it's a hardcover, and the sheet, I don't know what is it called, but it's amazing. It looks like some handmade sheets. And this is the same for all the 3 Ruskin Bond books. So guys, I'll drop the link of these books. You can buy it on Amazon, on Flipkart, and I'll drop it in the link box below, so you can go ahead and buy these books if you want to read it for yourself. Let's move to the next set of books. Moving on, I have R.M. Drake. So his full name is Robert Marcius Drake, and he's a New York Times best-selling author. He's written a lot of books like Moon Theory and Broken Flower, but Black Butterfly and Beautiful Chaos are his best-selling books. Both these books are an easy read because they are a collection of poetries, and if you're a beginner who wants to explore a lot of authors, I think this is great. So R.M. Drake has been a social media phenomena because he started his work on Instagram and then got his work printed, and of course these are his first 2 works that I own in print. So selectively talking about the books, firstly Beautiful Chaos. It's about all the chaos that we harbor within ourselves and how it is beautiful. It's more about accepting that we are all a little messed up and there's nothing wrong with it. It's rather aesthetic, and that is what has been explained in this collection. And you can see the cover. It has a girl who has like a lot of chaos within herself, and so the best thing about these books is that he has a lot of creative sketches here. You can see that is a relative of the poetry that's written beside. Next is Black Butterfly, and when I say Black Butterfly, you need to understand even the pages are in black. This is something which is very attractive because I personally haven't read a lot of books which has black sheets, which has black paper in which the content is written. So guys, this book will not only fetch you for the amazing poems that's written on it, but also for its beautiful smooth black paper and the sketches. The content is aligned to the right, which is not the English style of writing but the Japanese, and that is something, I don't know why it's done like that, but okay, it's nice. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you want to see more of my content, then do not forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, go ahead and do not forget to share. Thank you so much.